Welcome back to Cracking the CRCST. Today, we are breaking down Chapter 3, Anatomy and Physiology. This chapter is your foundation. Understanding the human body is the first step to mastering surgical instrumentation. Why does an SPD technician need anatomy? It's about efficiency. If you understand organ systems, you can identify complex trays like ortho or cardiovascular instantly in the decontamination area. Remember, splenectomy isn't just a word. It tells you exactly which organ is being removed and what tools are needed. Think of the cell as a blueprint. For the HSPA exam, focus on the nucleus and the cell membrane. This knowledge is crucial for Chapter 4, where we study how disinfectants attack these structures to kill bacteria. The circulatory system is the body's primary transportation network. Here's a high-yield exam tip. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Also, remember that cardiovascular tools are incredibly delicate. You must always inspect them under magnification for safety. This table is your cheat sheet for the exam. Learn to connect the body system to the common procedure. When you see the suffix ectomy, think removal. Knowing that a colectomy is for the colon will get you easy points on test day. With 206 bones in the adult body, the skeletal system accounts for the highest workload in the SPD. You will handle power drills, chisels, and bone screws every single day. Understanding bone anatomy is key to properly cleaning these complex devices. Don't study blindly. Focus your energy on what matters most. 85% of anatomy questions center on the skeletal and muscular systems. Use this distribution chart to prioritize your review and maximize your score. You've now mastered the core anatomy requirements for Chapter 3. You are ready to put your knowledge to the test. Let's start the 25-question mock test.
Question 1. What is considered the basic unit of life? A. Organ. B. Tissue. C. Cell. D. System.
Correct answer. C. Cell. Rationale. Cells are the smallest structural and functional units of all living organisms. Organs and tissues are built from groups of cells. Question 2. Which part of a cell is known as the control center? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Membrane. Correct answer. B. Nucleus, sir. Rationale. The nucleus contains genetic material, DNA, and coordinates cell activities like growth and reproduction.
Question 3. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 196, B. 206, C. 216, D. 226. Correct answer, B. 206. Rationale, while infants have more bones, many fuse together as they grow, resulting in 206 bones in a typical adult skeleton. Question 4. What attaches bone to bone at a joint? A. Tendon, B. Ligament, C. Muscle, D. Cartilage. Correct answer, B. Ligament. Rationale, ligaments connect bones to other bones, providing stability. Tendons connect muscles to bones. Question 5. Which muscle tissue is voluntary? A. Smooth, B. Cardiac, C. Skeletal, D. Visceral. Correct answer, C. Skeletal. Rationale. Skeletal muscles are controlled consciously to move the body. Smooth and cardiac muscles function automatically, involuntary. Question 6. The CNS consists of the brain and the A. Spinal cord, B. Nerves, C. Heart, D. Lungs. Correct answer, A. Spinal cord. Rationale. The central nervous system, CNS, acts as the body's processing center, made specifically of the brain and spinal cord. Question 7. What is the largest part of the brain? A. Cerebellum, B. Brainstem, C. Cerebrum, D. Medulla. Correct answer, C. Cerebrum. Rationale, the cerebrum manages thought, memory, and voluntary actions. It is the most prominent part of the brain. Question 8. The system that secretes hormones is the A. Nervous, B. Endocrine, C. Lymphatic, D. Exocrine. Correct answer, B. Endocrine. Rationale. The endocrine system uses glands to release hormones into the blood to regulate body functions. Question 9. Which gland is the master gland? A. Thyroid, B. Pancreas, C. Pituitary, D. Adrenal. Correct answer, C. Pituitary. Rationale. The pituitary gland controls many other endocrine glands, earning it the title of master gland. Question 10. Vessels carrying oxygenated blood away from heart. A. Veins, B. Arteries, C. Venules, D. Capillaries. Correct answer, B. Arteries. Rationale. Arteries, A for away, transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the body's tissues. Question 11. The human heart has how many chambers? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Correct answer, C. 4. Rationale. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria, top, and 2 ventricles, bottom, to pump blood efficiently. Question 12. The fluid portion of blood is called A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. Hemoglobin, D. Lymph. Correct answer, A. Plasma. Rationale. Plasma is the yellowish liquid that carries blood cells, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body. Question 13. System that helps fight infection and return fluid. A. Respiratory, B. Lymphatic, C. Digestive, D. Urinary. Correct answer, B. Lymphatic. Rationale. The lymphatic system filters pathogens and maintains fluid balance in the body. Question 14. The primary organ that filters blood is the A. Liver, B. Gallbladder, C. Spleen, D. Pancreas. Correct answer, C. Spleen. Rationale. The spleen acts as a large filter for blood, removing old red blood cells and holding a reserve of blood. Question 15. The voice box is anatomically known as the A. Pharynx, B. Larynx, C. Trachea, D. Bronchus. Correct answer, B. Larynx. Rationale. The larynx contains the vocal cords and is located between the pharynx and the trachea. Question 16. Where does gas exchange occur in the lungs? A. Bronchi, B. Bronchioles, C. Alveoli, D. Pleura. Correct answer, C. Alveoli. Rationale. Alveoli are tiny air sacs where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide leaves it. Question 17. Longest part of digestive tract. Absorption. A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Esophagus. Correct answer, B. Small intestine. Rationale. Most digestion and nutrient absorption occur in the small intestine despite its small diameter. Question 18. What is the liver's primary digestive function? A. Storing urine, B. Producing bile, C. Absorbing water, D. Producing insulin. Correct answer, B. Producing bile. Rationale. The liver produces bile, which is essential for breaking down fats during digestion. Question 19. Which organ stores bile? A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Gallbladder, D. Spleen. Correct answer, C. Gallbladder. Rationale. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver until it's needed. Question 20. Primary function of the kidneys. A. Pump blood, B. Filter blood, form urine, C. Digest food, D. Exchange gases. Correct answer, B. Filter blood, form urine. Rationale. Kidneys remove waste and excess water from the blood to create urine. Question 21. Tubes carrying urine from kidneys to bladder. A. Urethra, B. Ureters, C. Bronchi, D. Arteries. Correct answer, B. Ureters. Rationale, ureters are the two tubes that transport urine from the kidneys down to the bladder. Question 22. What is the largest organ of the human body? A. Liver, B. Skin, C. Brain, D. Lungs. Correct answer, B. Skin. Rationale, the skin, integumentary system, is the body's largest organ, protecting it from external damage. Question 23. The outermost layer of the skin is the A. Dermis, B. Epidermis, C. Subcutaneous, D. Fascia. Correct answer, B. Epidermis. Rationale, the epidermis is the visible outermost layer that provides a waterproof barrier. Question 24. Organ where a fetus develops. A. Ovary, B. Uterus, C. Vagina, D. Fallopian tube. Correct answer, B. Uterus. Rationale. The uterus womb is the muscular organ in the female reproductive system where the fetus grows. Question 25. The eardrum is anatomically called A. Cochlea, B. Tympanic membrane, C. Ossicle, D. Pinna. Correct answer, B. Tympanic membrane. Rationale, the tympanic membrane vibrates in response to sound waves, sending them to the middle ear.
Congratulations on completing the Chapter 3 mock exam. Drop your score in the comments below. I would love to see how you did. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss Chapter 4. And if you want to be fully prepared for the real test, click the link in the description below to join the waitlist for my full 1-100-and-50-question simulator. Thank you for watching, and good luck.